Hello YouTube, and today I got a new microphone called Rank Force. It's a clip-on microphone, so finally I don't have to hold microphone in my video, so I have free space for my hands without sacrificing the sound quality. So let's unbox it. So I'm going to get a knife, and finally let's cut the box. Hope I won't cut myself. And thankfully I did not. So here in this lovely bubble wrap there is a mic, and here it is in its glory. Nothing fancy, but really good packaging, and I hope this will be a good thing for my channel to improve quality for you. So thank you for watching, and for now, bye.